Have you ever found yourself wondering what it takes to turn your dreams into reality? It's a question that many of us ponder as we navigate through life, seeking to achieve our goals and aspirations. The answer lies in one powerful concept: sacrifice. Sacrifice is the key that unlocks the door to success, and it is through our willingness to give up something valuable that we can attain the things we truly desire. To understand the role of sacrifice in achieving our dreams, we must first define what sacrifice means in this context. Sacrifice is the act of giving up something that we hold dear, something that has value to us, in order to pursue a higher purpose or goal. It is a conscious decision to let go of certain comforts, habits, or even relationships that may be hindering our progress. Sacrifice is not about loss. It is about investing in our future selves and the dreams we aspire to achieve. Throughout history, we have seen countless examples of individuals who have made significant sacrifices to reach the pinnacle of their success. From athletes who dedicate countless hours to training, to entrepreneurs who risk their financial stability to build their businesses, sacrifice has been a common thread in the tapestry of success. These individuals understood that their dreams required more than just passion. They demanded a willingness to give up short-term comforts for long-term gains. By studying their stories, we can learn valuable lessons about the power of sacrifice in turning dreams into reality. Before we can begin to make sacrifices, we must first have a clear understanding of our dreams and aspirations. Take a moment to reflect on what truly matters to you. What are the goals that set your soul on fire? What do you envision for your future self? It is essential to have a well-defined target in mind, as this will serve as your guiding light when the path becomes challenging. Write down your dreams, visualize them, and make them a part of your daily thoughts. The clearer your dreams are, the easier it will be to identify the sacrifices necessary to achieve them. Once you have identified your dreams, it is time to assess the sacrifices that will be required to bring them to fruition. Sacrifices can come in various forms, and it is important to understand that what may be a sacrifice for one person may not be for another. For some, it may mean giving up leisure time to focus on skill development. For others, it may involve cutting back on expenses to invest in a business venture. It is crucial to be honest with yourself about the sacrifices that your dreams will demand. Take an inventory of your life and identify the areas where you can make adjustments to align with your goals. Making sacrifices is not always easy, and it requires a shift in mindset. To cultivate a mindset of sacrifice, we must first recognize that growth and comfort rarely coexist. We must be willing to step outside of our comfort zones and embrace the discomfort that comes with change. This mindset involves reframing challenges as opportunities for growth and viewing sacrifices as investments in our future selves. It is about developing resilience and perseverance, understanding that the path to our dreams may be filled with obstacles, but that each obstacle overcome brings us one step closer to our destination. While sacrifice is necessary for achieving our dreams, it is equally important to find a balance between making sacrifices and taking care of ourselves. Burnout and exhaustion are common pitfalls when we neglect our own well-being in the pursuit of our goals. It is essential to prioritize self-care even amidst the demands of our dreams. This means carving out time for rest, nourishment, and activities that recharge our batteries. By maintaining a balance between sacrifice and self-care, we ensure that we have the energy and resilience to sustain our efforts in the long run. Fear and doubt are natural companions on the journey towards our dreams. They can arise when we face the unknown, when we step into uncharted territory, or when we encounter setbacks. However, it is crucial to recognize that fear and doubt are not indicators of our capabilities, but rather a reflection of the significance of our dreams. To overcome these limiting beliefs, we must develop techniques for reframing negative thoughts and building self-confidence. This may involve seeking guidance from mentors, surrounding ourselves with supportive individuals, or practicing positive self-talk. By learning to navigate fear and doubt, we unlock the courage to make the necessary sacrifices and push forward towards our dreams. The path to achieving our dreams is rarely a straight line. It is a series of small steps and milestones. It is important to celebrate these small victories along the way, as they serve as fuel for our motivation and remind us of our progress. Each small win, whether it is acquiring a new skill, overcoming a challenge, or reaching a mini-goal, deserves recognition and celebration. By acknowledging these victories, we cultivate a sense of momentum and build the confidence to tackle larger obstacles. Remember, success is not just about the final destination, it is about the growth and experiences gained along the journey. Setbacks and failures are inevitable parts of the pursuit of our dreams. They are not indicators of our worth or capability, but rather opportunities for growth and learning. When faced with a setback, it is essential to approach it with a growth mindset. Instead of dwelling on the failure, ask yourself what lessons can be learned from the experience. What can you do differently next time? How can you use this setback as a stepping stone towards your goals? By reframing setbacks as opportunities for growth, we develop resilience and adaptability, qualities that are essential for long-term success. As we make sacrifices and navigate the challenges on the path to our dreams, it is important to keep sight of the potential rewards that await us. These rewards extend beyond material possessions or external validation. They are the intrinsic satisfaction of knowing that we have given our all in the pursuit of something meaningful. The rewards of sacrifice include personal growth, the development of new skills, the forging of meaningful relationships, and the pride that comes with overcoming obstacles. When we finally reach our dreams, the sacrifices we have made along the way will make the victory all the sweeter. In conclusion, the power of sacrifice in achieving our dreams cannot be overstated. It is through our willingness to give up short-term comforts for long-term gains that we unlock the potential within ourselves and bring our aspirations to life. By defining our dreams, assessing the necessary sacrifices, cultivating a mindset of sacrifice, and finding balance with self-care, we equip ourselves with the tools to navigate the challenges that lie ahead. As we celebrate small victories, learn from setbacks, and keep sight of the rewards that await us, we embark on a transformative journey of personal growth and achievement. So I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on your own dreams and the sacrifices that may be required to bring them to fruition. Embrace the discomfort that comes with change, knowing that each sacrifice made brings you one step closer to the life you envision for yourself. Remember, the power to achieve your dreams lies within you, and it is through sacrifice that you unlock the key to success. As you set forth on this journey, know that you are capable of extraordinary things. You have the strength, resilience, and determination to overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. Trust in the process, stay committed to your goals, and never lose sight of the dreams that ignite your soul. With each sacrifice made, you are investing in your future self and the limitless possibilities that await you. So, dare to dream big, embrace the power of sacrifice, and watch as your aspirations become your reality. The journey may not be easy, but it will be worth it. You have the power within you to create the life you desire, and it all begins with the courage to sacrifice for what matters most.